Little quick video. US General Mini Toolbox. GoPro, hard drive, dongles for mouses and whatnot. But these for my earbuds, a pen. It's small, yes, but it fits in this corner right here of my desk at home. Helps me store all my little small pieces and components. I highly recommend you get one. Makeup brushes, whatever industry you work in, I'm pretty sure there's small items you can surely utilize one of these boxes to keep and organize some of your things. Keep them from growing a pair of legs walking away.